Hi, 6th grade trumpet players. This is Canticle. I'm going to record myself playing from the beginning. We're going to go all the way to measure 39, okay? So this is a chance for you to play a chunk, but not the entire song Canticle. Again, it's good to practice in chunks, not the whole thing. You can even break this video in half and practice one half and then take a break and practice another half, okay? So before we just jump in and I record, I want to point out a couple things. First thing I want to point out is, oh, look at that key signature. You'll notice there is a, hopefully you just said flat there. Yes, you're right, okay. There is a flat at the beginning, okay. In fact, there's a flat at the beginning of every line. So because of that, every B is going to be flat because it's sitting on that B line. So B's will be with our first finger, not middle, but first finger, okay. Another thing you're going to notice is there are 3 beats in a measure, okay? So instead of 4 beats like we're used to, it's 3 beats every measure, okay? From the beginning until measure 39, I don't think there's like any new or weird notes that you're not used to seeing on a regular everyday basis. So nothing crazy here. There are 2 things I do want to mention before I start. The first is that when we have the big measures of rest right now, I'm not going to sit there and count them all. You can count to 3, 4 times. I think you could handle that. But I do want to remind you really quick before I start that like measure 9, when you see that dot beside the quarter note, that's our on Mount Pleasant rhythm. Don't forget that, okay? Now, the thing is that this is not like on Mount Pleasant with 4 beats to measure. So like in measure 9, you're going to go F, G, F, E, D. So it's long, short, okay? Long, short, ba-da-dum. That rhythm happens a ton in this song. So this song is a good one to practice getting good at that. So here is Canticle from the beginning. By the way, if this goes a little too fast for you, remember down at the bottom of the YouTube toolbar, there's the thing that says settings. Click on that. Go to playback speed and pick 0.75. This will slow this down. So if you're having problems playing a certain spot or you're just in general wanting to go a little bit slower, you can do that. Plus, if you've always wanted to hear me talk really slow or really fast, you can do that too. I mean, because why not, okay? Here we go. This is measure 3. I'm going to start right on that because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Remember, this is 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1. This is a hold off. Here's pick up stun 9. So we count 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. You get the idea. All right, jumping in at 33. Ready and. Cool. So that's the first half of Canticle. The second half will be in another video. So happy practicing Canticle.